Just because something is affordable doesn't mean it should look anyhow. We believe everyone deserves to look good without breaking the bank. Yes. Okay, guys. Now, come pack these customers' orders with me. Today's orders are going to two different locations, Ikorodu, Lagos, and Kwara State. One thing I hear a lot of people say is, I love your products, I love your ready-to-wear outfit, but I'm not in Lagos. Well, this is your sign that distance is not a barrier. We deliver to customers in different states, and we are always happy to send your orders wherever you are. Take a look at these Ankara trousers, beautiful prints, comfortable fits, and lovely colors. They're easy to style, perfect for casual outings, errands, relaxation, and everyday wear. I'm packing these orders. I just want to say thank you to everyone who has supported this business. Whether you've purchased from us, shared our post, or recommended us to someone else, every order means a lot to us. Now let's get these beauties packaged and ready for delivery for their new owners. Now, one good thing you have to know about our ready-to-wear outfit is the affordable one. Another thing is that even as they're affordable, we make sure it is well tailored, neatly sewn. Yes, you can get our outfits now and wear it and go out. Just take a look at these beautiful ones now. Like, you don't need to start ironing, you don't need to start taking out stickers. We don't do that here. Yes, it's not because it's affordable we don't make it anyhow. No, everything is well taken care of. Okay, so guys, if you're seeing this video and you've not patronized us, I don't know what you're still waiting for. Remember, we're in Lagos, but we deliver nationwide. We do not just make Ankara pants, we make two-piece Ankara gowns, vintage shirts, and so many stuffs. Okay, looking forward to getting your orders. Okay, see you guys later. Thank you so much. Thank you. Let me send this out to their owners. Thank you.